Look at these right here. How's it going, everybody? It's Ryan and Pam, and we are heading over to a thrift store. We're gonna hit some Goodwill today. Who knows if we'll find anything? I don't know. It is Friday. It's actually a Friday today, and we've got a little extra time, so we're gonna head over to a Goodwill and see if we can find anything. It's actually been quite a while since we've been thrifting.
Yeah.
It's kind of weird to go into a thrift store because we've been hitting garage sales so heavily lately because it's garage sale season, and
It's nice out.
it's really nice out. Yeah, we don't feel like going inside a thrift store, so it's been quite a while since we've hit one. So I'm gonna head in and see if we can find anything. Who knows? Maybe we'll score, maybe we'll just strike out, but we're gonna show you anyway.
Yeah.
Right?
It's what we do.
It's what we do. As if we need any more inventory right now, but hey, you know what? I guess you can never source too much, right? Death pile keeps adding up, but it's okay.
We'll get there one day.
We'll get there.
The death pile once, we can do it again.
Yep, we conquered it one time, we'll do it again.
We're just gonna go thrifting first.
Surprised you're wearing a sweatshirt. It's so nice out.
I'm surprised we were here for the past 20 minutes, but we took a nap in the car before we went into the thrift store.
True story. Oh man. Power nap. Now we're ready to thrift. Look at these shoes. They've been glued. You can tell they've been glued. That's funny. Let's see. Is there anything good? Not seeing much in the kitchen section here. Got a bunch of Funko Pops here. This. $10 for these little ones. Jeez. Bunch of Funko Pops. Look at these right here. Got some Heelys. $8. They're like brand new. Definitely grabbing these. What size are they? They're kids. Kid size 3. Yeah, I'm gonna grab these.
Oh.
Some brand new Heelys. Brand new, never been worn. They're a little bit dirty, but we can clean them up. They've never been worn, you can tell. You'll wear them. What's in here? Nothing. Interesting. Sports. Which is this baseball club? $5. Huh. This train, this looks interesting. $8. I don't know if it's worth it. Scan a roulette. There you go. Nothing. Let me search it. Rocky Mountain. Train, I guess? Train. There's not really much on it. Rocky Mountain Train. Locomotive. Really cheap. At least just for that. So just this one right here, $14.88. So for $8, I'm gonna leave it. See if we see anything else here. Let's see. Nothing. Not seeing much. Let's see. On the electronics. What a mess, huh? Look at all this crap. It's kind of... A Vonage phone. What's this here? It's a modem. I'm gonna search that just for the heck of it. $5. So right here we got this thing. And they're going for 15 with the cords. $10 free shipping. Yeah, we're gonna leave that. Slim pickings here today, babe. You know that? What's that? We got a... What's that modem? I can search that. Can you hold this just for a second? Thank you. Let me look this up. What is this? Zoom cable modem 3.0. $10.94. $15. Any sold? 17 listed. There is $15, $10 plus 5 shipping, $16, $14. And how much is it? $6. I'll leave that behind.
There's a toy train over there in a brand new lot.
I know, I looked at that. It's really not worth much.
Oh.
I looked it up. I saw that too. That was good, bae. I thought the same thing. I was like, yeah, this might be worth something, you know? Some little speakers here. Yeah. It's pretty slim picking, right? Yeah, guys, if you see anything that you think is worth picking up, let me know. Let me know what I missed, because to me, this looks like a bunch of junk. The electronic section's always a real cluster here. Here's a Canon camera strap for $1. EOS digital for $1. You know what? I'm gonna grab that. That might be worth it. It might be worth grabbing.
Because we don't have enough stuff to list.
I know. It's funny. Ooh, what about this? This might be good. How much is this? Logitech. This is $4. I'm gonna look this up. This looks like a good speaker. It's an X230. X230 speaker. What do we got? Ooh, subwoofer. That's what it is, right? X230 subwoofer. Subwoofer. Search. 15, 200. Ooh. See, there's one right there listed for 70. Is there any that have sold? Ooh, 8 have sold. Multimedia speakers with subwoofer. It's $36 with all the little ones with it, though. That's the thing. And it's only this. Let's see if there's the little ones around. Not seeing the little ones with it. Ooh, here they are. Are these them? $5? I don't think these are them. These are Logitech, but I don't think these are the matching speakers. What is this here? Same machine. Yeah.
So maybe just let it go.
Yeah, I'm just gonna leave it. If it had the little speakers, I'd grab it, but it doesn't. Just the subwoofer alone. There's one listed, but I think that listing's a little high. Alright. Moving on. Alright. I am just gonna go over to the jeans section. See if there's anything there. There's all kinds of Heelys here. Look. There's these. They're pretty beat up. And no wheels. There's those. And then there's these here. I think that's it. I think it's just those ones. But I'm gonna grab these brand new ones. Alright, so nothing too crazy. We found those Heelys, those brand new Heelys in there. And that's about it. Found that camera strap, but I don't even know if that's worth anything. But anyway, that concludes this Goodwill thrift trip. That Goodwill is usually really bad. There's not much in there that we usually find, so not a big deal. Take it for what it is and move on. Yeah. Alrighty, thanks for watching, guys. Really appreciate it.